She's hiding something from you. And you feel it, don't you? It's not something bad she's done, but you can't put your finger on it. It's like she's hiding the deeper parts of herself from you. You know there's more, but you can't access it. Maybe you've asked her, but she's resolute. There's nothing deeper. I'm not hiding anything. But you know, don't you? You know there is more to her than what you've experienced. A deeper aspect of her that she can't or won't reveal. You feel physically connected, but she feels mostly absent. Her eyes are open, but distracted. Her body is present, but her energy is frantic. She is going through the physical motions, but she is not absolutely surrendered. You try to troubleshoot. You go harder, faster, slower. You change positions. It fails. The distance remains. The problem isn't her libido. The problem isn't your technique. The problem is that she is trapped in a prison called her analytical mind. Today, I'm going to teach you one of the most lethal operational skills a modern man can possess. I'm going to teach you how to shut off her brain so her body can finally take over. Here's the biological reality of the modern woman. Her mind is an operational nightmare. It's a browser with 27 tabs open simultaneously. The career, the kids, the laundry, the body image, the insecurities, and the deep-seated societal conditioning that tells her primal pleasure is shameful. When you initiate intimacy, those tabs don't close automatically. She is lying there auditing the interaction. Do I look fat from this angle? Did I lock the front door? Am I taking too long? Am I doing it right? Why is he so quiet? This is the inner critic, and it's the ultimate enemy of Pandora's box. You can't unlock her primal self while the inner critic is standing guard at the gate. Most men actively make this worse. They ask questions. Is this okay? Do you like this? Am I doing it right? When you ask questions, you transfer the operational burden back onto her. You force her into her logical neocortex. To liberate her, you must stop asking her to think and start commanding her to feel. I shared with you in a previous video that trust leads to vulnerability. But to move from vulnerability to absolute surrender, you need a physical mechanism. I call it somatic grounding. Soma means body. Your job as the alchemist is to pull her consciousness out of the cognitive chaos and anchor it entirely in the physical sensation of the present moment. How? You don't negotiate with her anxiety. You override it with masculine authority. What I'm about to share with you is part of the frame, flow, and fire formula. You deploy 3 primary tools: direction, praise, and dirty talk. direction. Strip away the burden of choice. You don't ask, you command. Stay right there. Look at me. Breathe. Focus on the sensation of my touch. Open up for me. When you deliver clear, grounded direction, her nervous system registers. He is in absolute control. I don't have to drive this thing. And the tabs begin to close. Praise. Silence the insecurity. While her inner critic is whispering doubt, your voice must dominate the airspace. You are so beautiful. I love the way you feel. Good girl. You're doing it perfectly. You are pleasing me. You're making me want to be inside you. You drown out the shame, doubt, and distraction with unshakable validation. Dirty talk. You escalate the psychological connection. You calibrate the language to match her shadow, whether that is mildly provocative or unapologetically filthy. You speak directly to her primal nature. This isn't about saying the naughty things you want to say, whether she likes it or not. It's about saying the things she wants and even needs to hear so that she can let go and experience deep arousal. When you combine absolute safety of the trust equation with the dominant direction of somatic grounding, her biology shifts. She drops into subspace. Her eyes alter. Her breath changes. She is no longer auditing the past or predicting the future. She is 100% pure physical sensation. This is usually the moment Pandora's box flies open. When the mind shuts down, the inhibitions flatline. The respectable woman leaves the room, and the feral, authentic woman takes over. This is the greatest gift you can give her. Total cognitive silence. For 1 hour, or 2, or 3, she is free from the exhausting burden of simply being herself in a chaotic world. She is just energy. If you can engineer that environment, she will cross oceans to be with you. She will fight or flee with you. She will sink or swim with you. She will ride or die with you. Because the world is chaotic and loud, but you are the absolute quiet she can find nowhere else. We've mapped the architecture over the last 4 videos. The nice guy trap, the trust equation, Pandora's box, and somatic grounding. You now possess a bird's eye perspective on the philosophy and the psychology of opening up the deepest parts of her. But these alone won't fix your dating life or your relationship. You need a complete operational system, a roadmap. You need to know exactly how to build your frame, exactly how to invite her flow, and exactly how to ignite a fire few men ever experience. I built that system. It's called the Frame, Flow, and Fire Formula, a 9-step architecture designed to take you from frustrated with dating and relationships to the alchemist who holds the key. I will continue breaking down this system step by step on this channel over the next year. But if you're tired of waiting, if you want to deploy the protocol today, you can become a part of the next cohort of men who are tired of the frustration of contemporary dating. If you want to see what it takes to become a part of the Frame, Flow, and Fire community, click the link in the description. I'll walk you through the process so you know what to expect and how to work with me to become the mountain, the alchemist who holds the key that unlocks the deepest parts of her. I won't ask you to subscribe, like, or comment. If you're a man of action and this resonates with you, you'll click the link and get to work. If you're not, you won't. I'm David. Welcome to the Brotherhood. I'll see you in the next video.